fix the address list cannot be displayed. Error in Outlook on Windows. 1. Repair Outlook PST data files via Microsoft Outlook Inbox Repair Tool. 2. Test Auto Discover connectivity by launching the Test Email Auto Configuration option. Hint, right-click on Outlook in taskbar corner overflow while holding down Control key. 3. Set 0 to exclude HTTPS Auto Discover domain at hp_current_user /software/Microsoft/x.0/Outlook Auto Discover in registry. Restart your PC. Hint, Outlook 2010 equals 14.0. Outlook 2013 equals 15.0. Outlook 2016/2019/2021 and Outlook for Microsoft 365 equals 16.0. For repair/reset/. Reinstall Outlook.